Welcome back for Excel for economics. And in this one, we're going to be looking at some random number generators and then also p-values. So random numbers, you can get the uniform distribution. So this will give you a random number between 0 and 1 just by simply typing rand and then parentheses open and close with nothing inside. And this will give you numbers from 0 to 1. And you can fill those all the way down. So that we can get approximately 1,000 observations. Now, if we want to get the frequency of this, we can highlight our column here and we can see the frequency comes in, and we can look at the frequency of our data and then our bins, so where these things are placed. And what we want to do is hit Control Shift, hold Control and Shift at the same time while hitting Enter. And this will give us our data, which for some reason was blank. So now we can see our data that we had before. If we want to do random numbers that are outside of 0, between 0 and 1, let's say we want to put it between 2 and 4, then we just have to use the formula that we have here, where we say equals our random number, multiply it by b, which is 4, minus the a. So that gives the distance minus 2. That gives us the distance that we want to look at. And then we translate it across, it just increases by 2. And then we can take our corner and fill that down. And now we can see that our frequency equation can, again, takes the entire data set, decides on our bins, and then we Control Shift Enter, and this will give us our data in what looks like a histogram. And you can see that it's bound between 2 and 4, 4 being the highest. Each of these bins, the frequency is how many observations are between 0 and 0.2, how many observations are between 0.2 and 0.4, how many observations are between 1 and 1.2. Well, there should be 0 for the one in blue, and also 0 for the one in orange, because there are no observations up until it becomes 2, and then you start to get observations. Okay, so that's how you develop a basic histogram using the frequency operator, and you also draw random variables. See you in the next video.